Odisha CM Mohan Charan Majhi has launched a sharp attack on the opposition. Majhi alleged that some political opponents cannot accept him as the chief minister because he comes from a tribal and poor family. In a strongly worded editorial titled Raksha, the bond of relationship, released on Raksha Bandhan, the CM said the opposition is unable to digest that a tribal leader has risen to a state's top post. He said such criticism does not bother him. Instead, it motivates him to work even harder. Majhi stressed that constructive criticism is always welcome and that his government operates strictly within democratic principles. He claimed this mindset is aimed at preventing leaders from humble backgrounds from reaching top positions. The political war of words has added new heat to the ongoing confrontation between the BJP-led state government and the opposition in Odisha.
निश्चित भाव में सामंतवादी चिंताधारा वंशानुक्रमिक चिंताधारा विजु पट्टनायक थे नवीन पट्टनायक आइले ये जो पंडित नेहरू इंदिरा गांधी उतरू राजीव गांधी उतरू राहुल गांधी ये कौन गोटे चल हेरिटेरी सिस्टम तो सामंतवादी जेहेतु से बड़ बड़ फैमिली धनी धनी फैमिली से बड़ बड़ कथा कहते आमर मुख्यमंत्री किए गोटे नर्माल लोकटे पखाड़ खिया लोकटे तुम्हें मुझे सब छोट छोट कथार जाए आदिवासी हरिजन कथा जाए नहीं किंतु एटा तो सत्य कथा जे आमर मुख्यमंत्री गोटे कमन मैन एटा को तो अस्वीकार करि पारिबे नहीं।